Hello guys and welcome. Today I'm going to show you how to create a t-shirt and merchandise store website using Shopify. So first we're going to go on the left here to products and we're going to click on add product and we're going to start uploading our first product. So first I'm going to upload for example a Nirvana t-shirt, and here for the description we can either use the built-in AI of Shopify to generate a description, or we can write one ourselves. For me, I'm just going to use the AI. For example, I'm going to put the same thing as title, Nirvana t-shirt. I'm going to click on generate, and here Shopify is going to create a description for us. We can either choose to generate a description again, or we can just click here and keep our current description. Here for our media section, we're going to click on the image of our product, and below it we're going to have our category section. Usually Shopify is going to choose a category for us, and it's almost always going to be correct, but if we so wanted we can click over here and change it. Here for the pricing, we're going to choose a price for our product. For example, let's say that we're going to charge 20,000 pesos for this shirt, and the cost per item is going to be around 8,000 pesos. So we're going to have a 12,000 pesos profit at a 60% margin. For inventory, I'm just going to uncheck this because we're not going to keep track. And for shipping, in case we're going to do any, we can assign a weight to our product right over here. If we go up, we are going to have here our product type section, our vendor, our collections, and our tags. Here on collections, be sure to check this so the product is going to be added to your homepage collection. Once we are done customizing our product, we are going to click over here on the top or on the bottom right on save, and we're going to save our first product. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over here on the top right, and I'm going to keep uploading all of the products that I'm going to have on my online store. So I'll be back with you guys once I'm done doing that. So once we are done uploading all of our products, what we're going to do is we're going to customize our online store. So we're going to click over here, and the first thing that we're going to be able to customize is going to be the theme. Here, if we click on visit theme store, we're going to be able to see all the different themes that Shopify is going to provide us with, but for me I'm just going to stick with these, which are going to be the free themes and the default one. So I'm going to click on customize, and here if we click over here we're going to see that we're going to have different sections to customize our web. You can see that these sections are going to be outlined by a blue line, and here on the top left there's going to appear the name of our section. On the right, we're going to have a lot of different options to customize our section. For example, we're going to choose an image to be our image banner. Once it's done uploading, we're going to click on done, and as you can see, the background for our banner has now changed. Now here I'm going to click on our heading, and I'm going to change the text right over here. For example, I'm going to put welcome to my t-shirt and merchandise store, and as you can see the text has now changed. Now let's say that we want to add a new section to our website. What we're going to do is we're going to click over here on the left to add section, and a lot of options are going to appear. For example, we're going to have featured collections, featured products, collection list, etc. For me, I'm just going to choose a featured product, and as you can see the product is going to appear right over here on our screen. So if we click right over here on the right, we're going to be able to select a product to be displayed. For example, I'm going to choose my Star Wars t-shirt. Now let's say that we want to change things up a bit. For example, we want to change the color scheme for the background. We are going to, for example, choose a dark theme for our featured product. And as you can see, the background has now changed to a nice dark. Now, let's say that we have added a new section, for example, a featured collection by mistake, and we want to delete this section. What we're going to do is we're going to click it, and here on the bottom right, we are going to choose a remove section option, and the section is going to be removed. Now, we can also add sections to our footer and our header if we so wanted, and also a very important aspect of our header is going to be this right over here, which is going to say my store. this is going to display our store name. So if we want to change that, what we're going to do is we're going to save our changes up until now. We're going to exit and we're going to go to the home page of Shopify. Here we're going to click on name your store and we're going to choose a name for our store. For example, t-shirt, t-shirt and merchandise. We're going to save, and to see if everything is correct, we are going to go to our online store again, but this time we're going to click on the three dots, we're going to click on preview, and this is going to redirect us to our website, which we're going to be able to see right over here on our header that the name of our store has now changed. If we go down, we can see that everything is set up the way we wanted. So what we're going to do is, once we are done checking our website, we are going to go back over here and we're going to check a very important section, which is going to be the analytics and marketing section. Now guys, this is going to be a very important section for us. This is going to tell us our total sales by channel, our total orders, our average order value, and a lot of different information, such as which products are going to be the most popular amongst our customers, and a lot of different information which is going to be really helpful for us to both manage and customize our website and our business all from the same place. Lastly, another section I wanted to show you guys is going to be the discount section. Here, if we click on add discount, I'm going to choose amount of products. We are going to be able to customize our own discounts for either post on social media or gift to our friends. First, we're going to choose a code. We can make Shopify generate a random code for us if we click over here, and we're going to choose which kind of discount it's going to be. For example, I'm going to choose a percentage discount, and I'm going to choose it's going to be a 10% discount. Below it, we're going to choose which collections our discount is going to apply to. We're going to click on browse. We're going to choose, for example, our home page. So this discount would be applicable to the products of our home page. If we keep going down, you can further customize our discount. For example, we can choose the minimum purchase requirements, the customer eligibility, the maximum amount of uses for our discount, the combinations, and we can also set an expiration date for our discount. If we click over here on set end date, we can choose an expiration day. For example, today is the 13th. I'm going to choose the 20th, so our discount would have a 1 week lifetime. So once we are done customizing, we are going to click on save discount, and we would have our first discount ready to share. So guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Be sure to check the link in the description for a 3 days free trial of Shopify, and also a $1 for 1 month one-time deal. Be sure to like, subscribe, hit the bell, and I'll see you guys next time.